Hello everyone, this is James Zed, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to write a blog post. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can do it as long as you just have an understanding of how to use simple word pressing software like Microsoft Word, anything like that, and you can write a blog post. So first thing you're going to do is log into your dashboard, and from here just simply go to Posts, Add New. And from here, it's going to ask you for a title for your post. It's going to ask you for the content, and there's a couple of other options I'm going to go through here as well. So let's just title this. This is my pretend website, Sally's Pet Grooming Service, and I'm going to title this 5 Best Dog Grooming Brushes on the Market. And then from there, it takes me down here. Now there's a little button here. It just simply says show hide kitchen sink items. Gives you a couple extra items. I just like to keep this open. You don't have to. I only use maybe a couple of these items every now and then, but I just like to have all the options open. That's me personally. So from here, if we're going to make a blog post about 5 best dog grooming brushes, I can just type here are the best 5 dog grooming brushes on the market. Please leave comments below. And then from there, all I need to do in order to create a simple list is click on this button right here. And so let's just make up some dog grooming brushes. No, I don't own a dog. No, I don't groom dogs at all. I'm just making these up off the top of my head and improperly spelling them as I go. And on top of that, platinum brush. Okay, so there, I've just made a list of 5 brushes, and if I want to do anything to these, if I want to, let's say, bold this one because that's my favorite one, it's the Ultra brush, or if I want to italicize this one, it's as simple as that. If I want to change the color of the text, right here, let's change this to orange, and just make that a little thicker so it's easier to see. There we go, nice and bright orange. And on top of that, if you want to do things like if you want to make headers, all you need to do is just highlight what you want to make a header, and you can click here, heading 1, bigger. Okay, and then from there, alright, so there's the first blog post. And on top of that, I'm going to look over here at the right hand side, and it's going to ask me for categories. Now you can separate your blog post into different categories. So let's say I wanted to put this in the dog grooming brushes category, okay, and then I just simply go add new category. Or if I wanted to make a separate category for, let's say, cat grooming brushes, add new category. And these are both checked. I'm going to uncheck the cat one because this is a blog post about dog grooming brushes. And even if I wanted to go a little further and I wanted to make subcategories, I could say top 5 brushes. And right here it's going to ask what my parent category is going to be, and I'm going to put dog grooming brushes. I'm going to put add new category. And you can see it's kind of tiered like that. So then I can put it in 2 different categories, the dog grooming brushes category as well as the top 5 brushes category. Now there's another tab down here that's going to ask for any tags. So a tag is something that if someone were to search your website and they were looking for, let's say, dog grooming brushes, but they wanted to make, but you wanted to point them towards certain content that had dog grooming brushes in it, and maybe it doesn't have it in the title or in the content or anything, this is what you do, and you put in a tag. So for this post, I'm just going to put brushes as my tag, and I'm also going to put dog grooming. And you can just click add, or if you want, just hit the enter key and it will automatically add it. So if I hit top 5 and then I go enter, automatically puts it in as a tag. There's also a section for featured images. Let's just look up a quick image of a dog. That Google search. So friendly dog. Images. And let's look up some friendly dogs. This one's nice. It looks square. View the image. And save as. Let's go under my pictures. Actually, let's save it here. Oh, whoops. Okay. Alright, it's saved under my picture. So, if I want to get up, all I got to do is go here, click on set featured image, and it's going to ask me, do I want to upload? Okay, I want to upload. Select the file, and let's find the file under my documents, my pictures, and friendly dog. Where is that? There it is. And open. Okay, so it's uploaded. There's the photo. There's everything. It'll ask you for a title, caption, anything like that. If you want, yeah, you can just, I'll just quick edit this to friendly dog and set as featured image. There we go. So everything's the title, the content is typed in. We've put it in categories. We've added some tags. We've put a featured image. Next thing I'm going to do, if I want to make this available to the public, I click publish, just like so. And then it will say post is published. Let's view the post. I'm going to click here, and it's going to open up what it looks like on my blog. So here's my blog, and here's my blog post. 5 best dog grooming brushes on the market. And here's my title, and it even posts things like posted on January 4th by James. And I can edit that information, and please leave your comments below. Ultra brush, hand brush, and everything is there. Now, let's say I wanted to add the image to the actual blog post itself. So not only is it oh, excuse me. Not only is it in the featured image, but I want to put it into the actual blog post itself, so that there's a picture of a friendly dog. So I'm going to go up here to the top bar, and I'm going to click Edit Post. So I'm back here into my editing I'm editing the blog post, and I want to insert the photo. So I'm going to go to Add Media right here, and I'm going to click that, and we've already got this in our media library. So I'm going to click on this photo right here, and I'm going to scroll down just a little bit, and I've got some other options here. It goes attachment display settings, and it's going to ask me for the alignment. Now I always align these right, and it's going to ask what do you want to link it to, and I'm going to put there's no link, and it's going to ask me what size I want to put it in. And for this one, it's not a big blog post, so I'm just going to go 150 by 150. Insert, and there it is. Now I'm going to click the update button, and it's updated, and it gives me a little update, and I'm going to click view post. And as you can see, there is my friendly dog photo. It's even got a little bit of shadow there that's provided by the theme. So, and down here you can see it's under, these are the categories and these are the tags. And if I want, you know, like there's a section for people to leave comments on this, so if they like what you've written, they can leave a comment. Cool. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial about writing a blog post using WordPress. Again, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much.